Hello students, in this video we will learn the question answers of daydreams. Answer the following questions. First one, what did the husband want to buy? Answer, the husband wanted to buy a few cows. Second question, what plans did the wife make? Answer, the wife planned to use the earthen pots she had kept aside for milk, dahi, and butter. She would put the ghee in a jar. She also planned to send a pot of milk to her sister. Third question, what did the husband want to do with the extra milk? Answer, the husband wanted to sell the extra milk in the market. Fourth question, what did Gopal Band say he was doing? Answer, Gopal Band asked the arguing couple to move aside and said that he had to drive away the couple's greedy cows who had wandered and ruined his field of beans and cucumbers. Fifth question, did Gopal Band have a field? Answer, no. Gopal Band did not have a field. He just pretended to have one to teach the couple a lesson. Sixth question, what did Gopal Band want to tell the husband and wife? Answer, Gopal Band wanted to tell the husband and wife that they were making a commotion over something which was not actually there. Seventh question, what is the difference between a dream and a daydream? Answer, a dream is a wish we put into action to achieve our goal in the near future. A daydream is a thought we talk about but no action is taken to fulfill it. If you cannot make your dream a reality, it is a daydream. Next question, write about your own daydream in short. Here you can write the answer on your own. The answer I have given here is just an example. When I was in my class attending maths class, I started daydreaming. I found myself in a magical fairyland. I was the king of an unknown wonderland. I was seated on my throne. Next question, pick out from the lesson 3 phrases that begin with or include a and the. First one, A. Answers, a stout stick, a pot full of milk, a lot of time, a lot of looking after. Next, an angry man, an empty pot, an idle talk, an eyebrow. Next, the after the cows, through the air, the earthen pots, the hard work. Next question, choose a or an correctly and fill in the blanks. First one, stout stick. Second, lovely field. Third, eyebrow. Answers: a stout stick, a lovely field, an eyebrow. Next question: write the plural forms of the following nouns. First one, stick. Second, corner. Third, field. Fourth, cucumber. Answers: stick, sticks. Corner, corners. Field, fields. Cucumber, cucumbers. Next question: begin with a word and write as many related words or ideas that occur to you in the form of a concept chart or concept map. You can choose a word from here or any suitable word. Three examples are given here. First one is family. Related words are grandparents, parents, siblings. Love, care, peace, sharing, understanding, parties, celebrations, get together, ceremonies, fun. Second one is school. Related words are bag, notebook, pencil box, friends, games, play, timetable, teacher, mathematics. Examples: problems, bell, clock, fan, etc. Next one is food. Related words are fats, starch, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, fish, mutton, chicken, eggs. Health, strength, fitness, pulses, cereals, vegetables, fruits, etc. Here are some extra questions for enrichment, knowledge, and better understanding of the lesson. First one: how did the couple spend their time? Answer: the couple spent their time in idle talk. Second question: what made the wife agree to the thought of buying a few cows? Why? Answer: the thought of getting a lot of milk, because of which they could have plenty of dahi, butter, and ghee, made the wife agree to the thought of buying more cows. Third question: what did the husband always want to do? Answer: the husband always wanted to keep cows. Fourth question: was the wife happy with her husband's idea of buying a few cows? Why? Answer: no, the wife was unhappy with her husband's idea of buying a few cows. She was not too keen because cows needed a lot of looking after, and that meant a lot of work. Fifth question: what did the husband want to do with the extra milk? Answer: the husband wanted to sell the extra milk in the market. Sixth question: what made the husband get angry at his wife? Answer: the husband got angry at his wife when she said that she would send a pot of milk to her sister. Seventh question: why did the wife suggest to buy only one cow? Answer: the wife suggested to buy only one cow because cows needed a lot of looking after. The couple would have to walk them, feed them, bathe them, and milk them. This would mean a lot of hard work. Eighth question. What was the husband's reaction when his wife insisted on sending a pot of milk to her sister? Answer. The husband began lifting and smashing the earthen pots one by one when his wife insisted on sending a pot of milk to her sister. Ninth question. Who heard all the commotion? Answer. The commotion between the couple was heard by Gopal Bant. 10th question. What did Gopal Bant do when he heard the reason for the commotion? Answer. When Gopal Bant heard what had happened, he picked up a stout stick that stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. 11th question. What was the reaction of the couple to Gopal Bant's actions? Answer. The couple was astounded to see Gopal Bant's antics. 12th question. What did Gopal Bant do when the husband told him that he had no field of beans and cucumbers? Answer. Gopal Bant stopped wielding the stick and looked at the husband with raised eyebrows when the husband told him that he had no field of beans and cucumbers. 13th question. What would you do if you were given a lot of money as gift? Answer. I would like to buy some educational and interesting books as I love to read books.